Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Hassan. Today I'm going to show you how to reboot your iPhone. This method works from iPhone 12 to all the way to iPhone 17. I have iPhones 15 Pro Max. When your phone gets stuck and you can't switch it off because it's stuck, so there's ways of doing it. I'll show you easy way. So I will show you now. Volume button up, volume button down, and then just hold the power button until the phone goes off. You guys can see, just keep holding it. That's it. Once it goes off, you can either let go or until you see the Apple logo, then you let go. There you go. Then the phone goes back to normal. Doesn't delete anything. I hope you find this helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. More tips like this. Thank you for watching.